Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements so the app will run. Check OS version, free space, and RAM. Next, prepare an account that isn't linked to your country. This avoids geofencing. Once done, select a reputable VPN and set payment options that the target store accepts. This prevents immediate blocks. You're not wasting time on basics. These steps are the foundation that let the download process proceed smoothly and securely. With prerequisites ready, connect the VPN to the country where the app is available and verify your IP and DNS show that location. Then sign out of the App Store, clear its cache and data, and log in using the region-specific account. This forces the store to show local content. Search for the app and install. If the official store blocks it, use a reputable alternate store or sideload a signed APK, making sure you keep security settings in mind. After installation, open the app, grant required permissions, and test features to confirm it works. Some apps check region after first run. If you hit geo-blocks, switch VPN endpoints, clear app data, or reinstall. Alternatively, change your store account's region and retry. Make sure to keep the VPN active for updates and in-app services that validate location. And remember, if updates fail, temporarily set region back to the app's country. To receive
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.